Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. This is how to make money with Temu affiliate program. So guys, first thing that you will do is simply go to temu.com, and from here just make sure to sign in into your account. And in order for you to access that Temu affiliate program, just simply go to their search bar over here, and now just simply search for affiliate program over here on the search bar. And as you can see, it will redirect you to the affiliate and influencer program homepage. And from here right away, you should be able to see here on how much you can earn. So from here guys, you can just simply click on over here, share to earn. And after that, just simply share it into one of the social media that are available over here, or you can just simply copy the link over here. And from there, when people click on your link, you can earn some money, and you will have an option as well over here, share items, which from here you can share a specific item, and when people click on it and people buy it, you should be able to get a commission. And as you can see, you should be able to see here the information of the max commission that you have, and the commission that you will get, the minimum will be $1. So from here you can just simply click on share, and from here you can share a specific item or a product. And now from here on the left side, let's go to affiliate again. And now from here, if we scroll down, we will have here multiple options as well to share multiple link. So you will have here $100 coupon bundle. So you can share this as well in order for you to potentially earn. And it will be the same thing on the exclusive deal and the save big. And guys, as you can see, I already have $7 over here. And now if you want to withdraw it, just simply click on over here and just simply provide a withdrawal method. And since the minimum withdrawal is $20, I won't be able to withdraw yet. But if you do, you should be able to withdraw over here. And now you will also have here the tab influencer. So click on here. And after that, you should be able to see here multiple options as well. So let's say I'm going to go over here, join to earn. And as you can see, you will have here the requirements and how to join the campaign, and just simply read over here the content requirements on how you will create the video, and you should be able to see here the reference that you should do. And from there guys, you should be able to copy it to post and submit the link, and you should be able to potentially earn some money. And that's simply about it. I hope this video helped you understand more about Temu, and thanks for watching.